Guys, major update. I went to Manali. Yes, I filmed so much that it's getting hard for me to edit, but I'm still in the process. So this is on my to-do list for the day today, and let's get into it. I make the best coffee. I'll read for a while and then I have to study now. Yes, I have to study because I have my exam in few days. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great and doing absolutely great. Okay, anyways, so hi. I'm thinking you guys are watching this face for the very first time, by the way. So hi, my name is Khwahish and I am a Japanese language student. Like, I've been studying Japanese for almost like 4 years of now, and I'm also a working person. So yeah, that's it. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I make videos there as well if you want to. Anyways, so you guys know what today's video is all about. Also, it's Saturday today. That means it's my off. I have my weekend off, and that also means that I woke up late because it's going to be 12 soon. Like, literally the half of the day is end. I'm left with the remaining day. That's not the point actually. So you guys know what we are going to do today. Today I'm going to do everything that feels like summer in this video. You know that video where we actually do stuff that make us feel like summer, reading our favorite summer books, making coffee, studying, because we can't ignore that. I have my exam in less than a few days now, my Japanese exam, JLPT, and yeah, stuff like that. I'll also browse Pinterest for some inspiration, and yeah, let's get into it. So right now the first priority I have is cleaning part. Yes, also I want to do my breakfast. Let's see if my mom and Gio bought anything for us. Wow, we don't have anything, guys. So I have two things in priority right now. First is the cleaning part, second is the breakfast part, and also I have to resubmit my assignments today. So just remind me that I'm procrastinating it for like months now. I hope none of my relative or none of my known person watching this don't. Anyway, so let's get into it. Yes. Oh, wait. Also, guys, major update. I went to Manali. Yes, I went to Manali last week or last to last week. I think last week. Anyway, so I went to Manali and it's a major update because your girl loves traveling. Actually, for me, it's not traveling. It's not just only traveling. It's so much more than that. Well, anyway, a video coming up on it on my Instagram or here on YouTube soon, and yeah, a vlog is in the editing process right now because I don't know, I filmed so much that it's getting hard for me to edit, but I'm still in the process. So that was an update, and let's get with the day today. Firstly, we're going to start with the cleaning part because clear minds gives you clarity. I think so. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'll be doing the cleaning part, and then I'll be thinking what to have for the breakfast. Oh my god, wait. So I'll be doing the cleaning part and then I'll be doing the breakfast thing. So this is on my to-do list for the day today, and let's get into it. Now the bed looks like this. Coffee and then I'll go take a bath.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons? I wanna make her better, wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I hadn't met her, I wish I didn't wanna stay. I wanna wake up, break down in my room.
You know, I'm happy. I'm the happiest when my coffee is this frothy. Yeah. One of my video I said frosty, but someone corrected me. Thank you for correcting me. It is frothy. Okay. So I love when my coffee is this frothy, and yeah, I'll now just take a bath.
Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day.
I make the best coffee, you know. I don't know, there is something in coffee which literally heals me from within. I don't know. I mean, I just can't stop smiling when I'm having my coffee. Anyways, so I'm thinking to read while sipping on my coffee.
The tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons?
Hi all, update. It's like around evening 7:30, and meanwhile when I was reading, a few of my cousins, you know, visited the house, and I was pretty busy, you know, with them, and later I read a little bit. But yeah, that's the update. I'm not, you know, finished with the book yet. I am just reading so slow. I am so much into a book slump. I really need to get out of this eventually, but I'm still reading, and I really want to complete this book today. I'm at the end only, but when you are in a slump, it kind of feel like even the less pages feel like so much. But right now I'm not feeling that way because the book is cute. I mean, yes it is. I'm liking this thing going on. I'm liking, so yeah, I will try to finish it tonight, and I'll read for a while, and then I have to study now. Yes, I have to study because I have my exam in few days, and then we'll see later what I will going to be doing today. Yeah, so that's the like little update from my side. By the way, I'm thinking to, edit or make something like a short video or reel for my shorts or like Instagram, but your girl is procrastinating or thinking what will she be making or any ideas or something. I don't know. I'll have to like sit for a while and then think like what should I post, like what should I make out of the clips I have in my gallery, and yeah.
And I break down in my room, 'cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you.